Want to know how to remove your profile photo on Telegram? Removing your photo helps to maintain your privacy and strengthen your security. Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from Take My Life, and today I'm going to walk you through the process of removing your profile photo on Telegram. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. Firstly, click on the Telegram app on your screen. Then tap on the hamburger icon at the top left corner of your screen. Tap on My Profile option at the top. Then tap on your profile photo. Likewise, tap on the three dot icon at the top right corner of your screen. Then tap on the delete option at the last. A confirmation message will appear. Tap on delete to confirm your decision to remove your profile photo on Telegram. So this is how you can remove your profile photo on Telegram. Thank you for watching Take My Life. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.